Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava phyllo pastry. We'll cover everything from basic ingredients to the delicate art of stretching the dough. Achieving that perfect crispiness starts with homemade phyllo, and I'll guide you through each step. You'll soon be crafting beautiful, flaky layers for your delicious baklava. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey together. Gathering the right ingredients is your first step to success. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of warm water, and a pinch of salt. A teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon juice helps make the dough more pliable. For brushing, have a 1/4 cup of olive oil or melted unsalted butter ready. These simple items are the foundation of your amazing phyllo.
Hey everyone, quick break from our baklava journey. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. On another note, making baklava can keep you on your feet, so why not treat them right? I highly recommend Darn Tough Socks. They even have a lifetime warranty. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Start by combining your flour and salt in a large bowl. Gradually add the warm water and vinegar, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and begin kneading. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes, developing the gluten until the dough feels smooth and elastic. It's a bit of a workout, but essential for thin phyllo. Once your dough has rested, divide it into small, equal-sized balls, roughly 1 ounce each. On a lightly floured surface, roll each ball out as thinly as possible using a rolling pin. The goal is to get it almost transparent. Then, gently stretch the dough by hand, working from the center outwards until you have large, paper-thin sheets. This takes practice, but it's incredibly satisfying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.